Street scholar shit. Bitch. Control traffic, it's gonna be a lunch line. Got some people that love the bass like it's drum line. What you know about being broke when it's lunchtime? It's go time, ain't gotta tell me number one time. I was fucked up, a play came through in crunch time. You playing around with yours, but nigga, I'm gon' dump mine. Tryna stay the realest I can be at all times. I just wanna take a whole thing and bust down. Hot cold, nah, I'm not with the romantic shit. I get a heart on count of Jacksons and them Franklins. Used to ride past me, I know they seen the kid. In the gutter watching TV like I'm gon' be big. Got a 7, there's no flaws, so I made it 10. In the street ducking the laws, glad I made it in.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Big Nutta. Like the video, comment, subscribe, you know what I mean? Yeah, beat that like button up, y'all. Beat that bitch down. But today we reacted to Sayno2sko. Goddamn Sko. Goddamn exposed at Ratchettv. Let's get it.
Trying to find Pope.
Hold on. This nigga got the bald head Ratchet picture. Niggas been looking for this picture for some shit. Sko done pulled this bitch out the cut. He done smoked you right there with that Ratchet. Ratchet. Come on, bro. Y'all bald head niggas, man. Just gone. Trying to keep the size and shit, trying to hold on to that shit. Let that shit go, my nigga. Go ahead, bald your whole head, my nigga. It's done. You know what I mean? Them goddamn hats be making y'all niggas look young as a bitch. Y'all niggas. They might look like George Jefferson eat some oozing noodles.
Searching for Pope.
Really searching for. You know, Polar had just put all his information out, mine too.
Yep.
So this is the same nigga who, the reason everybody got your background is because of what Lil Warren did to you. But you willing to go sit on the panel with this nigga and be friends. You weird, bro. You weird, dog. Now I know you a weirdo and you got some real hate in your heart towards me, dog. Because if you would let a nigga do you like this and you still trying to be cool, bro, you was a joke, bro. They caught you with your goddamn hat down, bro. They caught you with your hat down, dog. They caught you, bro. And you sitting over there eating noodles. Let's get a good look at the noodles real quick. What is that, chicken or beef? What is that? Y'all tell me, what is that? Is that chicken or beef, man? Hold on, let me get a good look.
That nigga,
I'll be damned.
that nigga said no chicken or beef. Ratchet eating them oozing noodles, bro. He crushing them bitches, too.
Give him the shrimp flavor.
That's the goddamn shrimp. That's the shrimp flavor, y'all. I'll be damned. God damn it. That's the shrimp flavor, you son of a bitch.
What tripping me out for real though, the comments. Somebody put grandpa game in that bitch. Put a whole bunch of grandpa emojis. This shit crazy as a bitch.
That's the goddamn shrimp.
That nigga went got the shrimps fresh out of crow. Remember, the nigga worked at the grocery store, y'all. He was a butcher at the grocery store.
Nigga said
the nigga go grab a, family, one of them packs. He ain't grabbing one pack of noodles. That nigga grabbing a box. Straight shrimps. I can look at them shits, how light they are. Them are shrimps. That's the shrimp flavor, y'all. That's the goddamn shrimp flavor.
Like these niggas, like for real, these lives be jumping, but it be like the chat, bro. The chat. Anything be going down in them chats, man. That shit be crazy.
That is the shrimp flavor, man. This nigga
God.
here, man. I like my top leg back. I like my beat down low. I said, bro, y'all just get a good look at this nigga. Next time this nigga get popping y'all talking and running his mouth, y'all know what to tell
bald head, goofy ass
nigga. And we also want to see your teeth, dog. And that go for Lil Greg and Lil Warren.
And that too. Ratchet used to talk mad shit about Keith, about his head. His shit fucked up, but your shit done. You talk about his teeth, you know your teeth hit, my nigga. You could tell by the shape of your fronts, my nigga, that your teeth fucked up, my nigga.
Y'all niggas please show us y'all
teeth, bro. Smile into the camera. I will give Little Greg or Warren a band apiece if y'all take whatever fake grills y'all got in y'all mouth out and just show us your work, fam. You dig? We want to see what y'all got, bro. What does the teeth look like, bro? How do a nigga talk this much shit, but y'all don't show y'all teeth? How do you talk so much, but we ain't never seen your teeth? I'm getting frustrated with these niggas. They do all this talking, but we ain't never seen y'all teeth before. Y'all hiding y'all grills. You niggas are really some losers, bro. I'm dealing with some, I can see now, I'm dealing with some real losers. You know, that's why them niggas don't go outside. Ain't no females fucking with these kind of niggas right here. Don't no woman want these niggas. That's what the show is about today. Little Greg got a crush on creaming after.
And about that too. You going that creaming, my nigga. You know you liked her, bruh. I remember that live on Instagram, my nigga.
Dark, and she didn't like him.
I remember that shit.
You know that she came to Dallas after she left, the show was over. I'ma tell y'all why the show was over, because that nigga had a crush on her, and when he found out she didn't like him back like that, all of a sudden it was war. It was war that night. It was war that night. After Creaming After Dark denied that nigga, it was war that night. He know it. He know I'm telling the truth.
So the whole time I thought Ratchet, cause you know Sko used to be on Ratchet show and shit. The whole time I thought them niggas got into it cause Sko with the Polish shit to talk about his charges that the Polar read off and shit, but the whole time was over a female, my nigga. Cause you couldn't get on. Damn, homie, that's fucked up.
I ain't never lied to y'all about
I'm not gonna lie to y'all about this.
I see
Anything
why
say,
Sko
I'm
don't
writing
fuck
my
with
Bible.
that nigga. Cause
I will take a lie detector test. Nigga, it was beef when this woman left, bruh. It was beef all of a sudden, bruh. All of a sudden, you might not want to come on the show tonight, fam. Why not, bruh? Because I'm finna say that, you know, real tune, the people at the mall, you know, the nigga with the baby and the girl, I'm gonna say that real tune.
And that's fucked up too, bro. How you did Tune after he made you #1 on his list, my nigga. That shit fucked up, Ratchet. You a snake ass nigga for real. Like dead ass. You a snake, bro. Your goddamn head fucked up though.
sent them. Them was his.
You know, and I'm gonna say Rain tried to have me killed. I'm looking at this nigga like, what?
Stay
So I
saying
know
that
now
shit.
that you was really mad about Cream, so that was a play you was running on me. You knew I wasn't gonna stand by that shit to be a part of that. You knew that I was gonna mess the show up, and that's why you did it. Because you was really upset about Cream and when she came to the mall that day and how you had plans. Because I talked to Sin City today, y'all. And Sin City told me that Little Greg told her that that Cream was a little chick that he was trying to get at. That she was coming from Vegas to Dallas, and that was a little chick he was trying to get at.
And to y'all niggas, bruh, they be trying to holler at these females that get mad when they don't give y'all no play. Then y'all talk shit about them. Y'all niggas in the goddamn way. You know you don't goddamn be getting on, my nigga. We know you don't be getting on.
The yellow bone was coming down.
That's what he told Sin, because Sin told me that today. Sin told me that today. So he had plans of getting with Creaming After Dark, and it didn't go his way, and all of a sudden it was all hell broke loose, y'all.
Damn.
All hell broke loose, y'all. All hell. Now,
Damn,
now we
bro,
gotta
that
now.
shit crazy.
I gotta.
Over a
Let's get to it.
female, my nigga. Over a woman. You a wild nigga,
Let's
right?
get into it, man. Now, Creaming After Dark is in the building, Cream, and I want you to go through these videos with me, Cream. Look, I know you're a victim, Cream. You're a victim of, basically a perv, a guy who, thought you was coming down here to kick it with him. He was, but we all know that you came down here originally to go support Mo3. You came down here because they was having a boat party, and you was supporting Mo3. He took that as if, oh, she's coming down here for me. It's going down. But he was sadly mistaken, y'all. So, y'all, welcome one of my moderators, Creaming After Dark. Y'all, make sure y'all go check the
Ratchet
show out,
thought he
y'all.
was gonna
Creaming
get
After
him
Dark,
some
y'all.
pussy.
Make sure y'all check her out. She's going live tomorrow night, matter of fact. You did. So, now, Cream.
And if you're not subscribed to Just Sayno2sko, subscribe to Sko. He be dropping some alright shit, some good shit. And subscribe to Creaming After Dark. You know what I mean? She be talking their shit too. For real.
Your mic is muted.
We gonna everybody knows that Cream came down here. We all linked up and went to the mall. Lil Greg was hyped. I remember he called me telling me, she was down here and he was finna get at her, you know what I mean? She, I chopped it up, let's go meet her at the mall, fam. I remember, just like it was just yesterday. It was the day before the big fallout. It was the same day that Polar put both of our information out. Same day. That was a busy 48 hours. So Cream, we all go to the mall and let's go over a few things that happened at the mall. All right, we gotta go over a few things that went on at the mall. So we get to the mall, and I believe that, I'm not for sure if he wanted to link up with you by himself or what he was trying to do or whatever, but he also was kind of scared too. The nigga don't really come.
That nigga Ratchet was trying to get him some pussy. He tried to fuck Cream distance and that shit hurt his feelings. He even traded on his own boy. Damn, Ratchet.
Side like that.
So he was also scared and, Sko, let's just meet her at the mall, fam, this and that, hey, he even said that where I parked us said that I set it up. I had somebody messing with his brakes when he parked his car. That's how crazy this nigga is. Hold on, Cream. That's how crazy this nigga is. But we finna get into a few videos real quick, y'all. Let's go back to that day at the mall if y'all don't remember. If y'all don't remember, I'm finna take y'all back to that day at the mall when Lil Greg was acting more thirsty than ever. I ain't never seen a nigga come off this thirsty for a woman. But now he over there saying she this, she that, she built like this, she a tranny, she a transgender, she this, she that. Well, y'all seen the thumbnail. Y'all seen it. Nigga all up on her looking for a hug.
That nigga Ratchet, bro. Hey, it be niggas like that too, like dead ass. It be niggas like that, like for real. It be niggas that's on that shit. Like when a bitch ain't feeling, not my bad. When a woman ain't feeling him like that, oh hell no. It's fuck you, bitch. You ugly, bitch. You tranny. You all that crazy shit. Y'all niggas need to cut that shit out. Talking shit. Y'all was feeling them. But as soon as you get denied, y'all talk shit about them. Y'all need to cut that shit out, bro. Like, for real. That shit is not play on my nigga.
He looked real thirsty in that picture, didn't he? You know what I mean? So let's get to what happened at the mall that day, y'all. Get the lights up, y'all. Smash the like button if you're in the building, y'all. Block Bleeders ENT, I see you. You dig? Sin City is most definitely in the building, y'all. I see you, Sin City. I see everybody in here, man. Salute to everybody, man. Boss Lady DFW, I see you. You dig? I see Eric Salador, I see you. Pooh 11, Angela Adams, Miss Goldie. What's good, Miss Goldie? You dig? Rico Spencer.
Sko had like 1,000 motherfuckers in this chat this night. It was a good night for Sko.
Get the likes up. Smash the like button. King Sip, hit that like button for me, fam. Smash the like button. Let's get into exactly what happened that day at the mall. You know what I mean? We dropping that link today too, Cricket Simpson. Just me, myself, and we dropping that link today because I want to know what y'all think about this. Tell me, what do y'all think? What's up with Lil Greg, man? What is this dude doing, man? Why is he so worried about Cream After Dark? Why is he worried about it so much? Why is he so upset with this woman?
Because he was mad because he couldn't get on, y'all.
Let's reminisce.
He was mad because he couldn't get on,
y'all. Get your popcorn out, y'all. Make sure I got some popcorn. I ain't even popped mine yet. I ain't even popped my damn popcorn. I ain't never a minute.
Facts. That nigga was mad because he couldn't get on. Oh, God.
Now, remember this, y'all. He talking about the way the woman look. She this, she that, she this, she that.
And
let's get into this, y'all. This is us at the...
For real, I was surprised the nigga was outside this day, because that nigga do not go outside, y'all. Like, for real. House nigga.
Oh, y'all. Me?
Cream After Dark. Let's go, y'all.
Hey, let's go. We did that. When we came to the model, let's go. Let's go.
What he was saying right there, y'all, I'm going to take it back. What he was saying was when we got to the mall, people were saying, is that Sko? It was two people in front of us. And they turned around like, oh, is that Sko? They could hear my voice, hear me talking. They go, oh, that's Sko. Then they seen his creepy 6'2", 125-pound ass standing over there. And they was like, oh, that's Ratchet too. But he was like, he telling the story about how we walking into the mall and the people that he said was real tune people that was trying to set us up. Listen, y'all, listen
Yeah,
close.
he tried to say,
When we came to the model,
hey, you a terrible nigga, Ratchet, for doing that to too. You talk about the man trying to set you up and shit. Talk about he sent these people at y'all. You terrible, bro. You're a terrible lying ass nigga. And it would be so crazy. I don't see how they don't see your lies, bro. Cause I be seeing that shit. I be seeing that shit, bro. Like you can tell when a nigga capping, bro.
Let's go.
they said, fuck what we talking about. They want to see that ass.
Okay, now, let's pause it right there, y'all. Here we go. He's a pervert. There we go. Now, you know what he do? He always blame his mods. He blame his chat. He blame y'all for everything. He blame y'all, so of course he gonna look at the phone and
That nigga said, fuck that. They said they want to see some ass. Nah, nigga, you want to see some ass, my nigga. God damn, just say it, my nigga. Keep it playing.
They said they were.
nah, nigga. You wanna see some
Yeah,
ass,
oh
nigga.
God, you want to see some ass,
He gonna look at
nigga.
the chat and say, everybody in the chat said they wanna see some ass. I'm like, what? Now, before I throw this next, before we go into this right here, y'all, before we finish this, throw them eyes up, y'all. I need to see the eyes in the chat, y'all. Let's get a look at this looking ass nigga, y'all. Throw the eyes up in the chat. I need to see nothing but eyes, y'all.
And the
Throw the
chat
eyes
still
emoji. I want y'all to pay
going
close
crazy
attention
on them too.
to this nigga's
Nigga
eyes
put the
after he says this what he do. Beat
What
this
the
nigga,
fuck,
remember y'all,
bro?
he don't like friends,
Somebody
he
put
look
a
like
running
this, he look like
emoji.
that. But was he trying to peep her out the whole time? Get the eye emojis in there, y'all. Throw them eyes in there. Get the likes up and throw them eyes up. Take a close look at this nigga eyes after he say this, what he do, y'all. Pervert. He gonna blame me on the chat, say they said they wanna see some ass.
Oh
Nah,
God.
nigga, you want to see some ass. Let's go, y'all. Get the lights up. Let's go.
Let's go. They said, fuck what we talking about. They want to see that ass.
Now, look at them eyes. Oh, look first. Let's just look at them from there. This, oh my God, look at this nigga, man.
Nigga look creepy.
Yeah, LSD is a hell of a drug, y'all.
Oh God, nigga, that shit look crazy.
LSD is a hell of a drug, y'all.
For real.
Watch his eyes, y'all. Watch his eyes. Let's go. Get the lights up, y'all. Watch his eyes.
They said, fuck what we talking about. They want to see that ass.
And you could tell that nigga was like, ain't nothing wrong with being nah, I mean, geek, nerd, whatever. Ain't nothing wrong with being like that, my nigga. But you could tell he was by the way he laughed. Them niggas laugh like that. He was like a weird ass nigga.
They want to see that ass. They ain't trying.
What the what?
That nigga.
They trying to see that ass. They ain't trying to
What the what?
That nigga trying to say that. They trying to see that ass. They ain't trying to hear nothing I'm talking.
Look at the eyes, y'all. Look at the.
Damn.
Whoa. Whoa. Look, y'all. Look at the. Those are the eyes of a. Those are the eyes, y'all. Those are the eyes. Y'all, I want y'all to tell me in the chat, what are those the eyes of? Who got the best, y'all? I want to know in the chat right now. What type of nigga has those eyes?
Nigga got the eyes of a weird nigga, bro. Like, for real.
What are those?
Tell me, what is that? Man, whoa, man. Y'all, describe those eyes to me, y'all. Look at this nigga eyes. I see you in the building, Sharonda, baby J.
Crazy.
Shyla. Let me find out TV. What type of eyes are those? Nigga ready to take some. I see smoker. Oh. Yeah.
That nigga wild, bro.
Yeah, man. Come on, man. Come on. Oh,
Damn,
man.
kid.
Oh,
Stalker
man.
eye.
Those are the eyes. Man, those are the eyes, man. Those they see them eyes in their dreams tonight, man. You know, those are the eyes that you never want your children to see outside playing alone. Yeah, I mean, those are the eyes you never want to see as a female walking to the store, walking.
See, y'all, I ain't really see, this whole junk, cause I had walked off, so I screen recorded the junk, I had,
Your car by yourself.
as soon as I saw that bald head ass nigga, bro, I started screen recording, no cap.
Seeing, man. And let's get a look at him in slow motion, man. Whoa. 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 Man. Man. Cream, now, you was there for this. How did you feel about them eyes, Cream? When them eyes, you know, that was creepy, huh?
Creepy as fuck. He already looked creepy when I first pulled up on y'all.
Describe his build for me, please. Can you describe what he looks like? Please describe his build for me.
Like a lipo. Like he's just straight, and linky. Yeah. And scary. He was paranoid, like looking around. Fuck. Blinky eyes.
Nigga don't go outside, my nigga.
Look, y'all. I don't create the news. I just cover it, man. You know, I was there. I seen his eyes. I was like, you know, I thought he was going to take something. I wasn't sure where this was going. I was going to let no nigga, I don't want no parts of whatever you are into, my brother. I don't know what you got up your sleeve. Let this lady go home.
Right.
So, all right, y'all. So, we at the mall still, right? You know, remember, y'all, he over there, you know, dogging Cream. He's saying Cream and look like this. She looked like that. He put her next to a tranny on his thumbnail, all this goofy stuff. But at the mall, y'all seen how he was acting. They want to see some ass. Look at all damn, yeah. They want to see some ass, yeah. Acting all weird. But now he running her name and saying she ain't this, she ain't that. She look, but don't forget, y'all, this is the same nigga at the mall was talking about seeing, looking all of the ass. Ooh. Let's get to the next video, y'all.
Go could be no gentleman and paper lunch.
You heard that? Did y'all hear that? Let's run it back, y'all. Listen to what he said. The minute he walked away from me, now everybody know I got way more money than this nigga. The minute I said I was going to eat, I asked them, I said, y'all, what do y'all want to eat? They said, man, we don't really care. I said, well, I'm going to grab some of this cheesesteak. They were like, well, nah, we ain't going to rock with that. We going to go find something else. So I'm like, well, I'm going to go ahead and grab a cheesesteak real quick. So they walk off. And the minute they walk off, y'all, what did Mo3 say, y'all? Everybody ain't your friends. Everybody ain't your partner. Remember that, y'all. The minute they walked off, I'm going to be honest with y'all, I didn't even see this footage. You know what I mean? It was like months later when I really smiled. A month or two later when I seen this and looked at him like, what'd he say? I didn't even see this. Look at what he said the minute I walked off, go get my cheesesteak. You know, just being scope, out kicking it, making, at the mall with him, because he don't really come outside that much. You know, so I'm at the mall with him, and look at what my own supposed to be partner do the minute I turn my back. Look what he say.
Man, I'm big balling, you know what I'm saying? Go could be no gentleman and paper lunch.
I'm big balling, yeah. Sko couldn't be no gentleman paper lunch. While he's saying this.
Hey, shout out to the niggas that throw niggas under the bus for some pussy, bro. Y'all niggas is fucked up, bro. Like, dead ass, bro. Y'all niggas that do that shit, y'all niggas wild. Ratchet look like a type of nigga that do some shit like that, too. And he did that shit.
You know damn well Sko got
I can't fuck with Sko bank account what he got going on. You know what I mean? But the minute I turned my back, big balling. Yeah, nigga, yeah, Sko couldn't be no gentleman. To start talking about me bad to the female. Y'all see how he was playing that? The minute we all been together up until that moment, we was all three together. The minute I walked away, that's the first thing he said when I walked away. Y'all, let's run it back one more time. That's the first thing he said about me. Let's show you who your friends is, y'all. Pay attention to this kind of shit for real. He really painting a character of who he is. Y'all really know who he is over here.
For real, bro. I know some niggas that do shit like that. Like, for real, I know where Sko coming from with that shit.
I be confused on Rat Man.
But over here, y'all know you're snake. And this is what snakes y'all can't find no videos of me doing none of this stuff to him like y'all can find him doing the hating he was doing to me.
That was some hating ass shit for
We've been
real.
together the whole time. I'm looking out for him, asking, you good, bro? You chill? Bet. When the people turned around and they knew us, I told them, it's okay, fam. It's your first time being in public. Shit like this happens, bro. You good, fam. Don't worry about it, dog. We good, fam. Let's keep mobbing. Let's go get some
can't
ass
even
shoe
embrace
stores.
his style.
Let's go. We good. Let's walk.
YouTube famous people go recognize you when they see you.
Humpback, skeleton looking ass
Dumb
nigga looking
ass
around and
nigga.
shit. It's like he walk y'all when he walk
Scary
in,
ass.
he never up here and shit.
The fuck?
Looking ass nigga.
Dinosaur.
You know, so like I said, we in the mall. I'm looking out for him. Cream there. He nervous. You know, he got a crush on her, but he nervous over at the same time. It's the most weirdest thing you ever heard. I got a crush on her. I want to smash. I'm trying to. I want to hit, but I'm nervous. You know, because she was at the Mo 3 party yesterday around raining them niggas. You know, so I don't really know Sko. I like her, but I don't know Sko. So, like I said, we all together. And then I go get my cheese steak.
Go line them up. Ratchet thought Cream was gonna line them up, bro. Come on, bro. These niggas. That paranoid weak ass nigga, bro. Look at him. That nigga sucker ass nigga.
I'ma stop it right there. I'ma stop it right there. I caught it just in time. I'ma stop it right there because Creaming After Dark reached over the phone. When Cream reaches over the phone, it exposes her breast.
Oh.
Her breast was on one of his.
Oh, he set her off for the okie doke. Oh, professional pervert ass nigga, bro. Yeah, Ratchet, you planned it that joint, my nigga. Ain't no way you ain't planned that joint. You planned it that joint. You knew what was gonna happen.
She had a lie.
You can see her coming. He set the camera down, which trust me, y'all, he did on purpose. Why would a nigga sit his phone down? For what? He hadn't even ordered his food yet. Why did he lay his phone face down on the counter pointing up? She had already told.
Oh, he laid his phone face down, had the camera pointing up. That nigga he a professional perv, bro. Know he was on Instagram Live. He straight just dropped his phone right there too quick.
Outside the old.
I didn't know we was gonna go inside the mall. I ran up here real quick. I ain't even have a bra on. She'd already told us that. Right or wrong, Cream? Yep. So he already
knew the titties was out in the shirt.
Phone face down.
Ratchet already knew them jumps was running loose. Come on, bro. You a wild nigga, Ratchet.
On the countertop.
When he knew she was finna reach over and pay y'all. Think about it. What reason did he have to lay his phone face down the countertop and step back from the counter? That was a pervert move, bro. That was a pervert move, bro. Like, that was a...
Sko exposed you, bro. He exposed you with this jump. Oh, God, you're a pervert, bro.
We are watching a real...
predator in action right here. Y'all think I'm just here to diss this nigga. We are looking at that. That was a predator move. Why would I do something like that, man? Think about it. I'm kicking it with a young lady, and I got my camera on. I'm on live, and I sit the phone on the ground, and she walk over it. And I'm like, oh, man.
Oh, yeah. Hey, hit that like button, y'all. Hit that junk. Like, there it is. Hit the like button, for real. Hit the like button. Beat that bitch down, for real. I'm hot, too. Like, there it is. But beat that like button up.
And y'all, I seen up her skirt.
What type of nigga do that? Now, I paused it right there because she reaches over, and she reaches over. She reaches over, and the minute she reaches over and goes back, he grabs his phone and goes crazy, y'all. Get the likes up. When he realized that the camera caught underneath her shirt, watch this nigga reaction to realize that he caught her on camera. Watch how he act, y'all. This ain't the act of a normal man right here. Watch his reaction, y'all. Get the likes up, y'all. Smash the like button. Watch his reaction when she done. I already fast forward. She reached over the phone, now she's already back. Because I didn't want to show what it showed. I didn't want to show that. I got respect for Cream. You know what I mean? This man didn't know. Watch how he act when he realized that he filmed it. Watch this.
Did y'all see me?
He knew that was gonna happen. That's the first thing he said when he picked up the phone too, y'all. Like, Facts. Ratchet, you a real life pervert, my nigga. You a pervert. For real.
Are you serious? Tell me this is a joke. The nigga grabbed the phone. Did y'all see that? Oh, did y'all see that? Wow. The nigga grabbed his phone. Y'all, I can't make this up, y'all.
No.
He grabbed his phone
That
and
nigga, he got that goofy nigga now, bro. That nigga a whole goofy, bro. Like, dead that nigga straight goofy for that shit. Like, bro, that was some professional pervert shit, bro. Like, dead.
talk to me, Alyssa. Tell people, who are you, Alyssa?
Oh yeah, this Ratchet ex-girl, y'all. This the second time, goddamn, Sko exposed Ratchet.
So I'm actually a former ex of Greg's. I was with Greg for about a year during the years from 2020 all the way until 2021.
Okay, well listen, y'all. We got little Greg's ex-girlfriend in the building. No way. I'm gonna mute your mic real quick. I'm gonna do a little presentation. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all because I told y'all we was gonna cook this nigga tonight. See, y'all didn't think I was finna cook. Y'all thought I was done. Y'all didn't think I was finna cook tonight. Nigga, we cooking. We got little Greg ex-girlfriend in the building. And if y'all wanna know if this really her or not, let me give y'all, let me show y'all what's going on here. Cause y'all probably think, oh, is Sko running a play? Let's see if this is a play or not, y'all. Let's see. What's this, y'all? Is this a play I'm running? Is this a play or is that her?
Y'all saw that bald head ass nigga, bro. That what you supposed to keep your head like that, Ratchet. You bald head ass nigga.
Is this a play or is
Mr. Clean looking ass
Get the
nigga.
lights up. Get the lights up, y'all. Let's go. Get the lights up. Let's go.
Yeah, beat that like button up, y'all. For real. Beat that bitch up.
Get the lights up. Talk to me, sweetheart. What's going on? I see you right here in the video with him. You just sent me these. Explain to me. I seen you in my comments going in on my under my picture about him, talking about the abuse and a lot of things you went to. Break it down for me.
Damn,
So
bruh.
back in 2020, I had got with him, and like the way he portrayed himself is not exactly how it was and how it went down. So he was actually staying with his sister or whatever, and he told me that he had his own play the third. Well, that really wasn't the case when it came to Bigg. So time comes along, you know what I'm saying? I'm with him, and it's really been abuse from like day one. The first time we met each other, that nigga put his hands on me type shit.
Hold on, nah, fuck that. You're not gonna lie on Lil Greg like that. You
I'm
mean to
not
tell me
lying,
the
nah.
first
That nigga
time you ever met Lil
away.
Greg, he put his hands on you?
Yes, the
Go
very
it
first
away,
night we
bruh.
both got drunk and he put his hands on me. You know what I'm saying? And it was like that from beginning all the way until end.
And to y'all niggas that be fighting on them women, bruh. Y'all niggas some weak ass niggas, bruh. Like dead ass.
When I first got with him, I had found out I was pregnant. Well, the night that I found out I was pregnant, he forced me to swallow pills and then forced me to throw them back up, and then he pushed me down a flight of stairs, and the next day I had a miscarriage.
Damn.
Nah, hey, look, that shit ain't even no joke right there. I hate to hear that.
That's some lifetime killer type shit. Like for real, that's some lifetime type shit.
It's so sad. He's done this to so many women, and that story just needs to get out there. You know what I'm saying? He deserves everything that's coming with him. For
Damn,
real.
Ratchet.
And, you know, nobody should go out like that. I don't believe nobody should die, but my nigga, that's one nigga that can just really, really can go. You know what I'm saying?
So tell me this.
Like, bruh, like for real. It did y'all get pushed like it's supposed to get pushed by him putting his hands on that girl, bro? If he did, like for real, yeah, niggas need to push that shit, bro. Cause that shit fucked up. I stay out people's business, so I don't get into those shit like that. Nah, I mean, but that shit need to be pushed though. Like y'all niggas need to stop fighting these females, bro. That cause y'all niggas some weak ass niggas, bro. Ratchet, you a scary ass nigga, like, but you'll hit a female, bro, like dead ass. You a bitch, bro.
So
Tell me, when did you first hear about all this shit going on
If it's
online
true.
with him? When did you hear about his own line?
Allegedly, if it's true, you a bitch, bro. Nah, I mean, if it ain't, it is what it is, my nigga.
Whenever he first started going online, I was actually with him around the time. I actually heard of your name before I even knew who you was. I had went out with drinks with him and his cousin Jay, and I get more on that later, but I went out with his cousin Jay and he mentioned your name, but you would never really tell me. All he said is that you was a op, some shit like that, and I just never thought nothing of it. I never thought to look nothing up. So
He said school was
whenever
a
I seen all this shit really back popping is when that little picture floated up around to him with that dress and that wig on.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I was like, oh shit, that shit really makes sense, bro. Because he really is a feminine ass nigga and all he,
Hey, Sko, that's fucked up. You let that ride too, cause you let her run with that joke, cause you know damn well that was Ratchet, bro. But Ratchet, you a side ass nigga for beating that girl, bro. Like for real, if you did, bro.
I did was have women take care of him, you know what I'm saying? And the shit that he would do, like he would want me to do his toes and shit like that.
Nah, hold on, no. Yo, you stop it. You goddamn it.
So serious.
This nigga did not have you doing his toes.
Yes. I swear to God.
This nigga
Like,
Sko, bro.
he would want me, where is he going? He would want me to do his pedicures and shit like that, rub his feet and shit, you know, as a good woman, you know, I'm like, yeah, you know, I'll take care of you, woo woo. But then to see that, I was like, you know what, that shit really do make sense.
Wow. So tell me this, so I gotta get back to the first time you met him. So what did he tell you about his life? Like, I mean, you said
he had told me basically like that, you know, he had everything for himself, you know, he was well taken care of, you know, he makes money, got his own business, this, that, and the third. Well, that's not at all what it portrayed to be, because the first time I met him, I pulled up at what I thought was his shit, and it was his sister's shit.
damn. So when you found out it was
about
his sister
baby
shit, what did he
crying.
say to you? We had to tell you this is my sister shit.
I ain't really know until like he started trying to sneak me around the house and shit like that. I'm like, bro, what are you talking? Like, this ain't your shit? Like, this ain't yours? Like, nah, this my sister shit, and trying to sneak me in and out of his motherfucking house. Like, nigga, we too damn grown to be sneaking in and out of this house.
Damn. So the nigga was trying to sneak you around his sister's house.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me this. When he made you eat all them pills that morning, how did the rest of that day go? You say he pushed you down a flight of stairs? Her phone died, y'all. She told me her phone might die. Y'all. Her phone died. I'm gonna see if she'll call back in. Her phone died. But no, y'all, that's her, y'all. That's her. That's her right there, y'all. She sent me the picture before she came. She sent me all this before she came on the show, y'all. That's her. This is the young lady, y'all. Hold on.
Ratchet, if you did that for real, bro, you a side ass nigga, bro.
This is her, y'all. This is
This is her. This is the young lady who got through down a flight of stairs.
I don't like that type of shit.
Damn, Lil Greg, you throwing chicks downstairs, stuffing their throat full of pills and shit, Lil Greg. That's her,
That
y'all.
nigga ass.
That's her, y'all. This is her, y'all. That's her. That's
That's
her, y'all.
him too.
That's her.
Bald head ass nigga.
That's her.
That
her,
nigga
y'all.
look crazy,
That's the girl
man.
that was just on the show. That's her, y'all. I'm not running no plays. I don't make up.
That was the play right with the dress dude though, School. Like, but the nigga do look like him, like, but that was a play. He letting her run with that joke. But that nigga a side ass nigga, bro. If he did that shit for real, somebody need to punish you, bro. Like for real, somebody need to beat the brakes off your ass. I see why you don't go outside, my nigga.
no lies.
We gave that nigga a double dosage tonight. I'ma teach that nigga. Stop playing with me, dog. Acting like you calling me out. Pull up the fight, nigga. You don't want to be in the same vicinity as me at all, nigga. And let me let you know something. All the niggas that you popping all this shit, you better stay in the house, nigga. Leave me the fuck alone, bro. Stay in the house, nigga. You left that grocery store just in time today, goofy ass nigga. You left just in time because niggas pulled up. Yeah, niggas pulled up trying to see if you was really gonna do that. So you better stop playing, bro, because when you pop out and you drop them locations, niggas are coming to check. And guess what? If something would have happened to you, I would have been a mesquite.
As soon as something happened, bro, that nigga run straight to the police. That's what that nigga go do. Pussy. That nigga pussy, bro.
My son on camera.
Doing nothing, not bothering, not a damn soul. Smiling, looking at my watch, looking at the Rolex, saying, nigga. it might be that time. I don't know what just happened, but the room got cold. Stop playing with me, little nigga. Stop playing with me, little nigga. Throw them caskets up in the chat, y'all. Look at this nigga face, y'all. Throw the caskets up in the chat, y'all. Throw the caskets up in the chat, y'all. Come on now. We ain't got a cat.
He look like a crackhead, man.
Shouting out Sean G. Sean G don't fuck with you, nigga. It ain't Sean G. Nigga, salute to Sean G, nigga. The nigga got a fake baby mama on the show. You feel me? The nigga got a fake baby mama on the show. Talking about that's Rainwater baby mama. Nigga, Rainwater don't know that girl you got talking on your show. The nigga said Mo3 Mo3's fiance Jazz was on the show. Nigga, trust me, them girls would never be on your show, nigga. They kids lost their father. They not coming up here to play none of that goofy shit with you, nigga. They not into none of that kind of shit.
Right.
The family would.
Yeah, man, she need to cut that shit out with that Mo3 shit. Like it's alright to push the stories and all that shit, but all that extra shit you doing, bro, you need to cut that shit out, my nigga.
It happened, nigga, so you lie.
All that nigga guest is fake, y'all. The nigga ain't no real guest on his show in forever. The nigga just making up guests. Let's see what we make up tomorrow. He gonna make up somebody on me, y'all, because I just hurt the nigga tonight. So now let's see who he makes up next, y'all. I want y'all to predict who is Lil Greg gonna make up on his show next. What fake guest is he gonna bring on his show next? You gonna bring some girl claiming to know me? Nah, nigga. Any girl that know me, I still know them to this day, nigga. I can find them somewhere. I'll find them somewhere. I'll find them somewhere. You can't do me like that, nigga. Go find a girl that used to know me, anybody. My BM, anybody,
man,
nigga. They gonna get you like, what the fuck
and
you talking about,
woman
nigga? Goof ass,
bro.
nigga, get on. But your girl is here, bro. You stuffed
Pervert.
pills in her throat. You threw it in a flight of stairs. You was beating on
This woman the very first day you met.
Man, that nigga Ratchet a terrible combination here. Pervert, allegedly, stalker, allegedly, and a goddamn woman beater. The woman go fuck around blackball this nigga, bruh. Like, for real, bruh. You can't be beating on no woman and they coming out, know what I mean? They gonna go against that shit, bruh. Like, you gonna tell you, bruh.
You took it to your mom.
sister house and told her it was your goddamn crib. Sneaking around and shit. Say, baby, come on. Close the door, shh. Nigga, fuck her. Nigga, this your crib. You keep saying shh during sex.
He ain't gonna be able to get, like, no big endorsement deal, like, with that type of shit going around his name, like, for real. But for real, if that shit true, bro, niggas need to whoop your ass, my nigga. Like, dead ass.
She like, nigga, you got.
What type of nigga is you, dog? We knew you was a fraud, though, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you, fam. When you start calling my name now, oh, fam, pull up, fam, nigga, I don't take you serious, bro. I want to tell you something tonight, Lil Greg. I don't look at you like that, fam. I don't look at you as a threat. I don't look at you as the type of nigga, oh, man, we got to pull up, we got to go see. Nah, nigga, you a joke. Sign the whole lot of Woods contract. Nigga want to go to Frisco in the white people grocery store and say, pull up. Nigga, meet me at whole lot of Woods, nigga.
Yeah,
I got 10 bands if you win. It's for you.
He was trying to set Sko up on some police shit when he did that. Come on, Ratchet. Like, for real.
I win, I get nothing.
Sign the contract, nigga.
You got
I don't
a
want
bad
nobody
name,
breaking up
my
our
nigga.
fight, nigga. I want to beat your ass for real. I don't want you calling the police. I don't want you, none of that shit, nigga. I already watched you call the law. Remember you called me crying. Say, man, they watch.
I might gotta make a G-Check video for Ratchettv, y'all. Hit the comment section if y'all think I should, like, for real. That's what I might do, make a G-Check video for Ratchettv, bitch ass.
Me with the police.
Stop acting gangster, nigga. When some shit popped off, Greg, you called the cops. You didn't do nothing. You did. Salute to a shot down for the cash app, y'all. Salute to shot down for the cash app. Y'all, I'm gonna drop this goddamn link in the chat, y'all. I know y'all can't believe this shit. Get the pizza out, y'all. I know y'all can't believe this shit. I know y'all like, Sko, what's going on, bruh? Y'all, these videos are real. These videos are real. This young, y'all. Look at this, y'all. Look at
That's
this goofy
him.
nigga, y'all. Look at this goofy
Goofy
nigga.
ass nigga.
Look at him. Look at that goofy nigga, y'all. That's
He
him.
look like a
The young
woman
lady
beater.
hit
Look
me
at
up
him.
right before the show and said, look, I got some
He
shit I
look
want
like
to
he'll
talk about
beat a
too.
bitch ass.
You did? Bro, I want to tell Lil Craig this.
My bad.
Nigga, you
He
done
look
did so
like
many
he'll
people
beat a
dirty, bro.
woman
Nobody
ass,
rocks with
bro.
you, fam. You a
I'm
weirdo,
trying to
nigga.
tighten up on that
Everybody that
bitch
you go
ass.
around gonna turn on you because they know you a
Like
snake.
for real.
And you dog them out and do them dirty. This nigga talk about my background, pulling up my shit, but you, nigga, we ain't gonna talk about the other girl. We're about the other girl you said was in jail when you caught the case behind. You beat her up for a car. We ain't brought her in here yet. I'm gonna get an interview with her ass in the county. But this is how niggas wanna play, huh? Call me out. Yeah, nigga, pull up. Nigga, I'm in Frisco. You know damn I'ma beat your ass. You know damn well me and you in the same room means your ass getting drug around the whole room. Stop playing, bro. Salute to the gang, man. Salute to everybody in the building, man. I'm gonna drop this link in the chat, y'all. I'm gonna drop this link in the chat, y'all. I want y'all, come on, man. Come on, y'all. Look at
That
this
was
nigga,
Ratchet.
y'all. Look at this nigga, y'all. Look, that's you, bro.
Yeah, y'all. But that was the video of Sko exposing Ratchet. Nah, I mean, 2 times. Ratchet, bro, you gotta tighten up, my nigga. Like for real, bro. But y'all like the video. Comment. Beat that like button up, y'all. Like for real. Beat that bitch up. Comment. Subscribe to the page. For real. Beat that like button up. And I'm still on the road to 100. We getting there, y'all. So we getting there. We getting close. So we still on the road to 100. I'm going to start going live again. I'm going to do the cash out giveaway, $25 when I go live and shit from somebody in the chat. You know what I mean? And we going to figure out how we going to do it. So like, comment, and subscribe to the page. Y'all keep sending them subscribers, know what I mean? I appreciate y'all for what y'all doing shit for a nigga, know what I mean? So, Big Nutta trying to make something happen. So, subscribe, y'all, and I'm going to get back with y'all. Know what I mean? Peace out, y'all. Be safe, and I'ma holler. And remember, beat that like button up like some pussy, y'all. It's your boy, Big Nutta.